first thing you should know is that starting a YouTube channel is not all about creating content. Okay, it is mostly about building an active community, building and engaging with your community, because these are the people that are going to help your channel achieve tremendous growth in the shortest period of time. Hello there, you're welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 things that you need to do if you want to start and run a profitable YouTube channel, and if you want your channel to grow faster as soon as possible. Number one, as someone who's just starting, you have to decide on what type of videos you want to make. What topics do you want to discuss on your videos? This would help you know the kind of audience to serve. This would help you know the kind of people that are going to be watching your videos. When I started, my topic was basically about how to make money online. Yeah, e-commerce, dropshipping, businesses, how to run Facebook adverts, and different side hustles. So over time, I realized that people on my channel loved the e-commerce topics the most. Okay, so I focused on giving people tips and strategies on how to make money doing e-commerce, right? And then I also realized that business owners do come to my channel to learn how to run Facebook and Instagram adverts. So I produced content in that regard. So this has helped me to build an audience of business owners and people who want to make money online. So the topic or the what your channel is about will determine the kind of audience that you attract. Okay, there are different channels about lifestyle vlogging, about fitness training, yeah, gadget reviews, travels, gossip, cars, real estate, beauty, yeah, skincare. There are different kind of niches, different kind of topics that you can talk about. So decide on what you want to talk about. This would help you know who your audience is, and you will serve them better than anyone. The second point is that you can make videos from anywhere. Yes, you can make your videos from anywhere you feel comfortable and safe. For instance, right now I'm making my video from the car. Do you understand? So it must not be from a fancy studio or a very beautiful background or whatever that is. The most important part is the information that you share through your videos. It is very important. It is the information that will make people listen to you. It is information that will make people watch your video. Right now you are watching my video and I'm not making it in any fancy environment. This is inside a car. You can sit inside your car, place your phone in front of you and make videos. The third point is that you need to have a content idea bank. Content idea bank. Now, this would help you to avoid being confused or being overwhelmed on the kind of topic that you need to do next. Personally, for me, I have a WhatsApp group. I created a WhatsApp group for only myself. So I'm the only one in that group. So any content idea that comes to my mind, I type it and save it in that WhatsApp group. So I named it YouTube Content Idea Bank. So whenever I want to make a video, I just go through my content idea bank for the week and I see the videos I would like to make for that week. Do you understand? So it makes it easier for me to keep with the flow. It makes it easier for me to continue producing videos without being confused on what to do next or what kind of video to make next. Uh, my next 5 videos, I already know them. Why? Because I have an idea bank where I just put them there. Sometimes when you're watching videos on YouTube, it can give you an idea of what kind of videos to make. You can even watch a video and you believe you can make a better video than the one you just watched. Then you can just type in the content idea, save it somewhere so that you can have an idea of the kind of content that you need to make videos on and produce for your audience to watch. Number fourth point is don't start making videos with trends. Don't start making trendy topics. You know why? Trends can only last for a while, just a few days. Okay, something can be trending today and that stuff will last for just a few days. What happens? You as a new creator, after 3 4 days, it means that nobody is watching your video again. The video is not getting traction because the trend has passed away. But if you make videos on relevant information, relevant topics like educational, informative topics, years to come, people will still be watching those videos. That video will still be ranking. That video will still be bringing in views, bringing in subscribers, bringing in money to you. So as a new creator, do not jump on trends. It is short-lived. It has a short lifespan. Rather, focus your attention on making videos that would bring people back to your channel. Trends are short-lived. Relevant information and knowledge lasts for years. Focus on relevant information and leave trends. Number five, start with what you have. Okay, start with what you have. Right now I'm making this video with an iPhone 13 Pro Max, and a wireless microphone. Okay, this is the pack of the wireless microphone I'm using. Okay, so I'm making the video with iPhone 13 Pro Max and the wireless microphone. Simple. No fancy gadgets, right? Nothing fancy. A phone, a wireless mic for good sound quality, and your phone for a decent visual quality, for a decent video. Okay, I'm not using any fancy cameras or fancy microphone or fancy background or whatever. Those things are good, those things are important, but if you are just starting, do not hold yourself back. Do not procrastinate because you don't have those fancy gadgets, you don't want to start. No, start with what you have. If you have a phone that has a decent camera quality, then use it to get some decent visuals. Okay, and then use a good wireless microphone to help you have a better sound quality, so that people who are watching your videos can hear you loud, clearly, and get your messages. Do not delay yourself. Start with what you have. Over time, you can then, begin to invest in gadgets and stuff that will help you produce better quality videos. But for now, start with what you have. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. That's all. Like my video. If you are new to my channel and like to see more content on this, on how to make money online, on how to grow your business, on advertising, on how to grow on YouTube, please you may consider subscribing to my channel, and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. Moving on. Number six, start with how to videos. You know, all those how to do this, how to do that, how to blah blah blah. Come to think about it, most of the time when people come on YouTube to search for something, what do they search for? They go to the search bar and they type how to start a YouTube channel, how to run Facebook ads, how to start e-commerce business, how to drive automatic cars, how to drive manual cars, how to book a flight online, how to just get different how to's, how to cook this soup, how to prepare blah blah blah, how to tie gele. There are different stuff. So let your first 10-15 videos be videos on how to. This kind of videos would attract more views to you, to attract more people to you, because mostly people are always searching for how to. So if you make content on how to, for instance, you know how to bake, and you make content on how to bake chocolate cake, how to bake bread without an oven, so that when somebody comes on YouTube and they search for how to, your video will be among the ones to come out if your SEO is properly done. Do you get me? So yes, for your first few videos, do the how to, especially if you're in the educational or informative videos. How to start a business without money, how to make money online with your smartphone. Start with how to videos. Let your first 10-15 videos be centered on how to. These are the informations that people are searching for, so that when they search, you'll be there. You'll be among the people that YouTube will recommend for them. How to videos, they help you get views faster. Number seven, the title of your video and the description of your videos is what will help your videos rank better on YouTube. For instance, if you come on YouTube to search for something, you will search for how to do blah blah blah. YouTube will now give you lots of videos on how to do that same stuff. Let's take for instance, you search on YouTube on how to drive a manual car. YouTube will give you videos on how to drive a manual car. What will determine if you will rank among those first 10 or 20 is the title of your video and the description of the video. So make sure that the information on that title is also in the description of your videos. So let your title be well titled, and then let the description describe everything the title is about. So that when people are searching, if YouTube did not pick your video from the title, it will pick it from the description. Okay, so make sure that your title and the description perfectly describes what your video represents. This would help your video rank better on YouTube. Another thing you must pay attention to is your thumbnail. Okay, Your title and your description will help YouTube recommend your video. It will put your video among the top ranking videos. But what will make people click on your video is your thumbnail. The thumbnail is that picture you see that covers the video before you click on it. If somebody searches for how to drive a manual car, YouTube will give them over 10 videos. What will make the person click on your own? It is your thumbnail. It has to be catchy, it has to be interesting, it has to be attractive. If you are able to create engaging, attractive, and catchy thumbnails, you are going to get a lot of people to click on your videos and watch your videos. Your thumbnail will help to increase your CTR. CTR means click through rate, the rate at which people are clicking on your videos. If more people are clicking on your videos, YouTube will begin to recommend it to more other people. You are getting thousands of views. So take your thumbnail seriously. Take your title, description, and thumbnail seriously, because these are the things that would help you rank better, get views, and grow on YouTube. Number 8, use simple editing tools. All right, don't complicate things. I'm not a video editor, I'm not a graphic designer, so I use simple tools that I can handle. Simple editing tools helps make editing easier for you. Once you start using complex tools, you get overwhelmed and you abandon your project, you abandon the video. It will take longer for you to pick up and continue with your YouTube journey. So use simple editing tools. Personally, I use InShot. It has been good for me. It has been serving me. My videos, I edit them on InShot. It is simple to use and I don't find it complex. So use simple tools that you can, make use of immediately while you keep learning the more complex ones. Number 9, be consistent. When I started YouTube, I was posting 3 videos weekly. It took me 1 month to get to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, because I was consistent. I was posting 3 videos weekly. So in about 1 month, I already got 1,000 subscribers. And in less than 3 months, I was monetized. Because I was consistently showing up. The thing is, when you show up, when you post videos weekly consistently, the algorithm will favor your channel. The algorithm will continue to push out your videos because you always feed the algorithm. You are feeding the algorithm with information, especially when it is relevant information. So when you feed the algorithm with information, the algorithm will begin to disperse and push out your videos to more people. All right. Now, I'm not saying you should post 3 videos in a week, but if you can do it, it will favor you better. It will do a lot of magic for you. Okay. You can also make post twice weekly. As someone who's just starting, don't just post today and then till 2 weeks time. Then when you come back, you're asking, hello, who missed me? Nobody missed you. Sorry, nobody missed you, my darling. Nobody missed you. This is YouTube. There are thousands and millions of creators. There are millions of videos for people to watch. So they cannot be missing you if you're not showing up. So show up consistently. Be in our face. Be in our face every week. Show us, give us videos every week. Feed the algorithm, and the algorithm will feed you with views and recommendations. Okay? Have you liked my video? Please, if you have not liked it, like it now, I beg. Please like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yeah? Number 10, enjoy the process. Enjoy the journey. These things takes a while. It takes a while. For me, I was monetized in less than 3 months. Some people get monetized after probably 6 months, some after 1 year, right? But if you are consistent, it will not take you that long. It takes a while, yeah? But once you are consistent and you get monetized, you start enjoying these dollars. Listen, YouTube is lucrative. There is a lot of money to be made on YouTube. There is money to be made on YouTube. It is lucrative. All right? Invest your time into making videos that people are going to enjoy watching. Then be consistent in making those videos and publishing these videos. Have your title correct. Have your video description correct. Have your thumbnail correct. And do these things consistently. Enjoy the journey. Do not get overwhelmed. Do not get things complicated. Stop waiting to have the perfect gadget. Stop waiting to have the perfect instrument or the perfect space. Use your phone. Make videos from anywhere you feel comfortable and safe. For instance, I could have made a video in my house, but I'm just coming out of the gym. As you can see, I'm just leaving the gym and I'm making this video, right? I barely stay at home. So I make videos wherever I find myself comfortable and safe. I use my phone and the wireless mic. Simple. I use a laptop also to make videos. So enjoy the journey, enjoy the process, be consistent, make videos, publish videos weekly, work on your thumbnail, work on your title, work on your description. Make sure your video has a better sound quality. If you do all of these things consistently, YouTube algorithm will favor your channel. You will see your channel grow, you will make money, and you have an interesting and lovely community and life. And also make sure you engage with your community. When they comment, respond to their comments, respond to their questions, and you're going to grow on YouTube. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you share it with as many people you know who find it helpful. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions in the comment box below. All right? I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.